Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to claim Apple Plus TV subscriptions for 3 months. If you have Xbox Game Pass, right, you can claim it on PC or Xbox console. Even you can watch Apple TV on your Xbox console. That is what I'm going to explain. So what you need to do is, you can check that on home screen. You need to search the perks, tap Game Pass. So here Apple Music trial offer is there. This is the perks, right? So claim your perks now. We need to move to claim your perks now. I'm going to tap this perks. So here you can see this Apple TV Plus. Yeah, it is there. 3-month free trial. So which is going to expire on 2023 March. So you can claim by the time. So I'm going to tap it. Apple TV Plus. Also you can use the same account on your TV. In PC also you can claim it. Simply tap this perks. You can claim Apple Music as well for 3 months and Apple TV Plus as well. So tap it and just get the link, but I'm going to do it in Xbox. So in Xbox, I'm going to tap this claim. You claim this perk on 27th November. So open in Microsoft Edge. To enable sync on Xbox, you must enter the PIN. So I'm going to give OK. So I'm going to enter the password. So it started login. So here I need to enter the Apple ID here. Enter your Apple ID. If you don't have, just create it. Then enter. I need to enter the password because I'm using iPhone. So I need to enter the same password here. Enter the right password. Password is successful, but I need to enter the 6-digit code. Two-factor authentication. Check your mobile. You would have received it. On your mobile, tap allow. Once you allow, right, you would have got the number. I'm going to enter that. Four 86671 is the number. So enter. So and then give OK on your mobile and tap trust. So here you can see this redeem your offer for Apple TV Plus. So 3 months free, then it's 99 per month. But you can cancel also. So I'm going to tap continue to claim it. No commitment, cancel at any time in settings at least once day before each renewal date. Plan automatically renews until cancelled. So I'm going to tap this confirm. Super cool. Now I'm going to tap this continue. So that's it, friends. Now you can watch any Apple TV shows or movies. So I'm going back. I'm going to activate on console because we have a app, right? Apple TV Plus. So my games and apps. So here we need to go to apps. Where is Apple TV? It is not there, but I can install it. Search Apple TV. Yeah, it is there. Super cool. Install all. And now I can sign in. You can activate in 3 ways. You can sign in by scanning this, or open the browser, go to activate.apple.com and enter the code, or you can directly sign in here. But easy method is I'm going to use this iPhone to scan. So barcode, I'm going to scan it. So it's found. Super cool. I need to give continue. It's signing in. So automatically it got refreshed. So now you can watch Apple TV Plus in Xbox console. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.